to the flight attendant. 2. Fasten your seatbelt. Insert the flat metal end into the buckle to adjust. Pull a loose strap and to release lift the top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tied across your lap. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There's 2 door exits in the front and 2 door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each exit equipped with evacuation slides and a place automatically would open. The slides in the forward of the exit doors can be used as rafts. Red light signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. Please take a moment, locate your nearest exit, keeping in mind they might be behind you. Leave all carry-on belongings should there be an emergency evacuation. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartment throughout the cabin and inside all lavatories. Quickly pull down on the mouse to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the fit by pulling on the elastic tab. Make sure to adjust your mask first before assisting a child or others. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic may not inflate. In the event of a water evacuation, leave a life vest under your seat when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch, and pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front, or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children may be found in the safety information card. Additionally, today's lines. Escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit while on the aircraft wing during a water evacuation, located in marked overhead bins mid-cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all customers to comply with posted placards and lighted signs throughout the cabin, as well as crew member instructions. A friendly reminder, smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including use of vape pens. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety check before takeoff. Please let us know if you have any questions about the information covered in our safety briefing. Thanks again for choosing Frontier Airlines. Enjoy your 1 hour, 47-minute flight to Denver. One other quick reminder, if you do plan to use volume and electronic devices, headsets are required for everyone. If you do not have a headset, you will need to turn the volume on.
Gentlemen, we're going to dim the main cabin lights for the duration of our flight to the Mile City, Denver, Colorado, and Denver International Airport. If you need additional reading lights, so located above your seat, the passenger section.